Hi friends.
Hi friends.
Thank you for the encouraging words for our previous video. Today we are going to make a masterpiece wall art in less than 10 minutes. My mom loves to buy wall art every spring and this year I decided to make one for her. For this art, you need canvas or paper and colors. You can use acrylic paint, watercolors, crayons, markers for this art. You need a masking tape or painter's tape for better finish.
Right. So as you can see, we have already made these two pieces of art, and it may look very complicated, but Samik has made this art, and I'm sure you can also make this in less than 10 minutes. And for making this, you don't need any expertise in drawing. Samik is good in drawing, but I am not at all good in drawing. Today Samik has taught me a lot of tricks which he has learned from his school. So a great thanks to his teachers for teaching him such cool arts. So what we are going to do is, so this is kind of mosaic art. I am trying to
Not like we don't have to make it symmetrical.
Exactly.
You can make it random like
yes. So I'm making
Put
just
it here.
random
things.
random shapes. What shape is this, Samik?
This is this is a triangle.
Very good.
This is also a triangle.
Right. You can also teach your kids geometry using this this art.
Art.
And
And this is again a quadrilateral.
this is a very
Big
big
quadrilateral.
quadrilateral. So we are just making random shapes. If you are a fan of circles, you can use circles. I am not very good at making circles, so I thought let me just make this.
You can make a semicircle here.
I can make a semicircle. That's right. So next project we make a semicircle. So so this is triangles
All those stuff.
or
Quadrilaterals, rectangles.
trapezoid.
You can make a rectangle
We
here.
can make a rectangle. Okay. Make sure you use a masking tape or painter's tape. I got this at Walmart. You can buy it at any store or any craft
And now
store.
you can make
The reason why I'm using masking tape is once the painting is done, I can just remove the masking tape and it will not damage or it will not
damage the canvas.
It will not damage the canvas on my art.
So you can put it here.
You put it here. Oh,
Now, no, you put it slanting so it goes right.
like this.
Yes.
This is good.
I was thinking of like
You tell me.
I was thinking like this.
Like this. So it
Like
this.
yes.
Does it look good?
So it looks like a square.
It looks like not a square exactly. What shape is it?
A parallelogram.
Yes, parallelogram. And also, if the sides are equal, you can also call it a
Rhombus.
rhombus. Yeah. So it's a great way of teaching geometry to your kids, and especially during spring break. The next week is spring break. Just give a piece of. We have used canvas art because I'm planning to put this in my bedroom.
2 days after
Yeah.
spring break.
Yeah, the spring break after 2
15th
days from
March.
15. So you can, if you want to make, we practice this on a piece of
You can
white
put
paper
it here.
first.
You can put it.
Please one more. Okay. So whatever your kids like, whatever you like, you can just put masking tape.
You put a slanting. I was like.
Should I make it straight one? Okay, you tell
Sorry,
me.
sorry.
No, it's okay. Tell me, how should I put it?
Straight here.
Straight like this?
Yes. This is it.
So I'm Samik's assistant here. He is telling me all what to do, what not to do. So my art theme for the colors was the first one. You want to tell them about what the themes are? What was the theme for this painting?
The theme
Make sure you
was,
look at the camera.
the theme was golden.
Golden.
Golden because of Christmas. These are Christmas colors like golden,
Christmas.
green, blue, and red.
You can also say Diwali. Diwali represents the golden colors. Blue is for Hanukkah, and red and green is for Christmas. So it's basically holiday season. We have used all the bright colors. And
And the dark color is the bright and dark.
face towards
And
camera.
this is the spring and summer colors. So this is blue, pink, green, and yellow.
All the bright colors,
Or
right?
the like a little bit light.
Yeah.
Green is actually dark.
Yeah. So now we are going to make my favorite season. That's the fall season, and because it has Halloween in it, and it has Samik's dad's birthday, and our wedding anniversary. So a lot of fun things during fall. So we are going to make fall season in this canvas, and so for fall the best color is pumpkin orange, and this
And
is
this is a little
golden
sunset.
yellow.
Golden sunset.
Yeah, we are representing the bright fall
The bright
colors. Fall colors. So
and red.
and we are using red. So you need to have at least 2 to 3 paint brushes.
So we are using this
Samik,
one.
which color should we start?
Start with red.
Start with red. Okay.
I'm starting with red. You start with the sunset.
Okay. So super easy. Samik, I'll take this one. You take this one. Okay.
I'll take
Which one?
I'm taking this.
Okay, you take this.
So sorry.
No, it's okay. No problem. You take this color. Paint it here.
I painted here,
Yeah.
and where are you?
I'll paint here.
Here.
Okay. Be careful. And if your hands get dirty, I don't think it's a very big deal. And I can just go. I don't have to be very precise because I have a masking tape. You need some help, Baba?
No.
Very good. Very good.
It's okay.
You can choose any colors. You can choose as many as 10 colors if you want. You can just choose one color if you want.
Or 4.
So
Whatever color you want.
yes, try to position the colors in a way that they are far from each other. So like if I have this orange here, I will not put another orange here. I'll put it slightly far.
Here.
Maybe I'll put it here. Yeah, yeah, we have done the same thing.
Yes.
You concentrate on this one. You can use watercolors also.
Can I get more paint?
Yes, please. You can.
I just used a little.
Yeah. Let me help you now.
Not very much paint.
Yeah. Let me just help you. Go back to me once again. No, take. This is a great piece of art. I mean, you encourage your kids to do art and
This thing.
it's
here
very
I
bright.
did it. Oh my god.
Make one more. Which triangle do you want? Never mind. It's okay. No worries. We just put some other color. It's okay. There's always room for improvisation, and this is art. So you can't calculate art. You can't decide which color. So
I did it.
I think it's too much.
I think.
We
Can I paint it? Can I?
Oh yes, you can. You will paint it. I just took too much color.
Too much acrylic paint.
Koro. Yeah, you can see kids will be so excited to do this art, and it's very easy. Start with watercolors, I would say, instead of just going directly to acrylic. We have practiced this many times on paper, and now I think we have got a good finish here
On canvas.
on canvas.
So don't directly go to canvas.
Yeah.
So
Can I take this, Baba? So for finish, take an adult's help.
do it here.
Do it here again. I think I'm going to take some more colors here.
So let's do orange here.
Okay.
Can I do orange now?
Yes, Baba. No, not orange. We already. How many squares do we have? How many boxes do you have? Can you
2.
count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Wait,
6, 7, 8,
Wait,
9.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we need more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes.
We have 5. So we have to divide it evenly. I'm thinking of putting orange here, so it kind of masks the red. Okay, Samik, can you do it?
I was also planning that.
Okay, very good.
Can I do it?
Yeah, sure, you can do it. Just can I take the paint here? Can I put it? No, take this.
I'm taking this. You take that.
Okay.
Uh,
It's okay. Fall colors is actually a combination of red, orange.
Let me mask up
Yeah.
the red.
Because I've already used red here, I can't use this brush anymore. I'll take another brush. Well, be careful.
Yes.
And I'm taking this sunset yellow.
You do that. I'm doing this. Can I do this?
Yeah.
I'm done with this now.
Okay, take this. So you can see Samik is really excited and he wants to do everything. And that's actually important.
Very
So once we have done this art, we will show you the final product. Cool. So we have finished our piece of art. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful, very bright. It represents fall colors, and now we want to. It's kind of wet right now because we just did it. So Samik, I think we can give this.
Now, if you want some glitter,
Yeah, if you want some glitter, we have some glitter. But you want to add glitter to this, or we have already added glitter to this, to the Christmas one?
you can add some glitter in the red and orange.
Okay, the orange one. If you want, you can add some glitter or sparkles, whatever you like. This is completely optional. You can just make any random shape just to add some texture to the drawing, to the art, and
And now add it on the red.
add it on red also.
Yes.
Okay, you add it on red. And meanwhile, Samik is adding all the pieces, all glitter to his piece of art. I'm going to show you how to remove the masking tape. Samik, you need help, Baba? I think this is fine. It's okay.
How do we do it?
We will do it. I'll show you. So I'm just going to keep this aside and I'll show you how to remove the masking tape.
So-
And looks like it is dry. Remove the
dry?
masking tape. Yeah, it is dry.
This is dry.
No, don't touch this. It is not dry yet. This is glitter. I wanted to show our viewers how to remove the masking tape, and how it is dry. So, see, just remove this. That's why we chose masking tape. So if you remove it,
Now
it's
removed.
very clean, and the edges are. Don't touch now, okay?
Can we?
Dara na.
It's all color. Oh.
Yeah, if you. So it gives a very nice, very clean finish.
Nice finish.
You do it. You do it. And no one will believe that this was done by a kindergarten student. This looks very expensive, and no problem. And very clean. I think that's the beauty of this project. That's why we've used masking tape and not any other scotch tape or anything. So I'm going to
It
have
doesn't. The scotch tape doesn't remove anything.
the scotch tape we have tried with scotch tape, but
It sticks up.
it sticks it sticks so much to the canvas that it's difficult to remove. So we have this three beautiful wall art.
Now let's do this.
No, we'll just finish the video. So
We will tell the riddle.
we'll tell the riddle. Okay, let's just finish this video. So go ahead. We have the spring break next week, and sit, Baba. And please make this piece of art for your family, and you can get this is a great gift also. And Samik wants to play a riddle with you guys, and please answer the question in the comments, and one of the lucky winners we will dedicate our next video to them.
And can we say the riddle?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm orange in color. My hat is
I have a
green.
green.
I have a green hat, and I sound like a parrot.
Very good. Okay, thank you so much. Till the time we see you next. Bye bye.
Bye.
Good job.